this is Jasmine. Today I'm going to be singing one of my favorite Hmong songs. It's called Minong by Sudden Rush. It's a beautiful song and I hope you guys enjoy. Kuda kudu ken kuyu wa ishi chinaka kuyu wa ishi jago movie ta mong chi ta za shi lu boli kya la chi mo inu yo to na okay jo na kuyu wa sao cha ka mo Kudu minang, je n'en koyua, ke kota, eti koya. Tonku aika, baby tonku aika. Zikuchi luko mogyu okulu shimbolika kopu dia baby kopu dia kuyen ti chitao no jiko imo kuda ke ko wa kuku amula baby. You said maybe we could try just a little more time. But I said till you hold me, you know I can't lie to myself anymore. 'Cause when I told you how much that I love you, Zikuchi luka mayu mokulu shimbolika kopu dia. Baby, don't you know that once I walk out that door, then I'll be gone forever. Kuku amula. Did you know how much that I love you and I need you here in my life, right here by my side? Do you know how many nights that I cry? Do you understand that I need your hand holding mine? I need you in my life. Alright, thank you guys for watching.